If you're looking for a brand new integrated dishwasher, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. When you're choosing an integrated standard dishwasher, the only dimension you'll need to check is the width dimension, which can vary from 60 to 70 centimeters. The other two dimensions are standard, with the height measuring 82 centimeters and the depth at 55 centimeters, so you won't really need to worry too much about measuring these. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can relax and enjoy your new appliance.